Hey everybody, I'm Jer. Welcome to my YouTube. So we're going to do another subscriber request. Let me look here. This one is from Delonzo83. He asked, what is a good stock market place to buy shares from, especially if I want to buy Mullen? I need some now. Okay, I actually have a great place for you to do this. Go to stockvoyager.com/free, and there you will see, actually, let's just show you. Pull this up here. All right. You go to stockvoyager.com/free. You will see Robinhood. If you sign up using this link, you will get free shares of stock, either a free share or multiple shares of free stock. Webull, if you sign up using this link, you'll get free shares, multiple free shares of stock, either one or multiple. And Cash App, you'll get free money if you sign up using Cash App. All three of these you can buy, invest, trade, sell stock. And you can sign up for all three. You don't have to just sign up for one. And each of those you will get a free share or shares of stock. And Cash App gives you, I believe for signing up, it gives you $5, which is free money, so great. So Robinhood, Webull, Cash App is what I recommend. You can sign up for, there's a ton of different platforms to be able to buy stock and buy crypto. And let's pull this back up here. So you can look up Google and find whatever company you want to use to trade and buy and sell and everything else with stock. I suggest getting one that you can trade, buy, and sell for free. Webull and Robinhood both offer free trading, free investing in shares of stock. Just use whichever one you feel is best, or use both. I use both. So that is where you can buy Mullen. Now then, I want to talk about, let's look at this. So, when is a good time to buy Mullen is the next question. Looking at this, actually, let me pull it up here. Reports. Okay. Come on, Mullen. Where are you at? All right, there you are. Okay, so this is the DD report I did for Mullen. This is this was put on that video that he was actually responding to, requesting where he could buy Mullen. You can see that video on youtube.com/JaredJohns, or visit stocks.yt, which is much easier. And you can subscribe to my channel there, see this video, see all my videos, stocks.yt. So this report is on stockvoyager.com/Mullen report. You can also find it if you search on my Twitter, which is Jer_Johns. Now then, the time to get in is important here, because if we look at what they're doing today, they are reaching new lows, new 52-week lows. Let me find them real quick on this. Come on here. Where are you at? All right, there we are. So right now they're at 563 as of midday today on the 13th of December. And they're down 12% for the day. What you have to understand, and I've explained this in the last video, is that they are trying to get to 51 million shares of float. So 51 million outstanding shares. It's gradually happening. So you're going to see dilution. The more you see dilution, the more you're going to see share price drip and drop down. I suggest waiting until it finds a good bottom support and then getting in instead of getting in now. That's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You do what you want to do. I can't hit buy for you and I can't hit sell for you. You do what you want to do. My personal opinion is that the company is worth $900 million compared to other electronic vehicle makers like Lordstown and Canoe and Rivian and there's multiple. Fisker. Compared to those, Mullen is undervalued. Now then, do I think the stock is undervalued altogether? No, I don't think any of the EV makers, electric vehicle makers, who are just starting out making cars or haven't made any car yet and plan on making them into 2022 and 2023 are undervalued. I don't think that. But comparatively speaking, Mullen is probably the most undervalued right now of the electric vehicle makers. They are also one of the closest ones to having a product on sale. They're going to have cargo vans on sale, supposed to have cargo vans on sale, electric cargo vans, starting this next year in the first quarter of next year. Is that going to be a great revenue source? Probably not, but it's going to be a start. They can use their revenue and profit off of that to continue to build out. Do I expect Rivian to need to, or Mullen to need to do, I hope I didn't call them Rivian before, Mullen to need to do an offering? Yes, I do. I think they're going to need to do offerings to be able to get the money they need to keep moving forward. Do I think it's going to happen soon? No. Do I think it'll happen next year? Probably. But so that's something to think about. But I think, in my opinion, market cap, the target market cap I have is around 900 million, which with 51 million shares would put them at 1764, which is a huge increase from what they're trading at now, which is around between the $5 and $6 range. But keep in mind, you might be able to get it at a lower price. Also, keep in mind, you might not. It might get the attention of somebody or a institution, and they just buy the crap out of it, and the stock price just shoots up, and then you don't have your chance to get in. So anything can happen. Make your own decision off of that. They are kind of trending downward. If you look at the chart, they are kind of trending downward still. I would wait until they are finished with that trend downward, find support, then get in and just keep it. Just hold it and see what happens. I believe that they are, let's take a look. This says, where are we at? Okay. This says that they are valued at 133. Benzinga has them valued at 133 million with a 23 million shares outstanding. So about halfway to that 51 million shares. So a little bit over halfway to that 51 million shares. Could they get down to half of that? I don't think they'll get down to like 250. I could see them going to around 4, but I can't really even see that. I would probably say in between 4 and 5, maybe a little bit more. I think the last video I said between 5 and 6. They are down to in between 5 and 6. Is it safe to buy? Sure, in my opinion. If you're going to hold on to it long term, yes, but expect it to drip. Don't expect it to not drip down further. If you're getting into it and just holding it, great, whatever. But I think you can get a better price at it at around like even lower than where it's at now, closer to 5, with this continued dilution. And they probably won't have any announcements until the first part of like next month or so. Once they have an announcement, you can expect, if they announce that they have these vans produced and ready to sell, then you can expect it to kind of start trending back up from there. So that's how I would buy Mullen, using stockvoyager.com/free and using those links. And I would get my free stocks there. And when I would buy it is sometime in between, like now, probably like 475 sounds about right, but it may not get that low. So probably closer to 5, in between 5 and 6, somewhere under 6 though, I would be buying in, and then wait and see. And I bet that you're going to get closer to that 900 million market cap, is what my guess is. Comparatively speaking, with other EVs, Mullen is undervalued. Not undervalued considering that they're not making revenue yet, but undervalued compared to other EV, electric vehicle makers. Okay, so okay, bam, bam. Okay, all right. I hope that showed up right for you all. Okay, so request. If you have a request, I wouldn't leave them in the comments because I don't always see comments, because there's a lot of comments I get because I have a lot of videos. But you can send your request to jer@stockvoyager.com. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful, green, profitable day, and I will see you all very soon. Mwah!